Wow, it's so cool place. So cool. Wait, hold up. Wow, it's so cool. I'm gonna go up here. What the frick? I'm gonna go now. So creepy. So cool and creepy. Look, the monster. Wow. What? It's so cool, man. Wow. Naval Lake and Pinto Art Museum. Loma, dyan, sa taas. Oh. Oh. Dito. Oh my. Look. She's so cool, bruh. Oh my, bruh.
Ay, tinola. I want to sit down.
Diyan na. Oh. Si Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Ito. Let's go.
Pababa yung rating natin.
5 stars.
Pagod din pala sila, di ba?
Ang init na siguro, di nila carry.
Diyos ko. Aakyat ulit.
Bako ba ito na eh?
What is this place? The sounds of nature. Oh my god. By the way, please like and subscribe. Nature is so beautiful. Is that heaven? Is that heaven? My legs. A pool. A pool. Never mind. A pool. My legs. What was that? Never mind. I'm so tired right now. Let's go. Huh?
Bird.
Bird?
Ito sa it? Eh, the blue one.
Blue?
Nakikita mo siya, no?
Ayun! Yun na. Wait lang.
Nainitan na siya.
The bird. It's a bird.
It's a peacock.
Peacock.
Nakita siya din sa white light. Sabi niya manok.
I'm so tired right now. We went from underground to up. By the way, like and subscribe. Guys, please like and subscribe. Okay.
Hindi ka muna gagi sa may algorithm man, hindi?
Oh, init.
Ito telepo. Ocean, dito ka lang. Nandun natin sila. Ocean, dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. What grade are you?
Form. By this day, then video. So, bye bye guys.